Welcome to fractions, decimals, and percentages. So this particular activity is a combination of all three particular skills. Let's have a read of the first question. So a bag contains red and yellow beets. 3/5 of the beets are red. Given that there are 25 beets in the bag, calculate the number of beets that are red and choose the correct option. Okay, so in this case, let's work this out first of all. So 3/5 are red. That means 2/5 are going to be yellow. Now in total, we know that there are 25 beads in the bag in total. Now these 25 beads are a combination of yellow and red beads. Now we need to work out 3/5. In other words, we need to work out how many red beads there are in total. So we're going to do 3/5 times by 25. So here we will do 3/5 of 25. So 25 divided by the bottom number. Then we're going to multiply by the top number. So 25 divided by 5 is 5, because we know that 5 times 5 is 25. So 25 divided by 5 is 5. And then 5 times the top number 3, which is going to be 15. And 15 of the beads out of 25 beads in this case are going to be the red beads. Okay, do have a look at the image. I'll give you more help on how to work out some of these questions, and we'll review the rest of the questions in our follow-up lesson like usual. Thank you.